The Pareto rule. The Pareto rule is a simple idea that can help us in many areas of life. It is also called the 80-20 rule. This rule says that 80% of the results come from 20% of the efforts. This means that a small amount of work can lead to a large amount of success. In this text, we will learn more about the Pareto rule, where it comes from, and how we can use it in our lives. 1. What is the Pareto rule? The Pareto rule was named after an Italian economist named Vilfredo Pareto. He noticed that 80% of the land in Italy was owned by 20% of the people. This observation led him to think about how things are often not equal. Many times, a small number of causes can lead to a large number of effects. This rule can be applied in many areas, such as business, health, and time management. 2. Examples of the Pareto rule. Let's look at some examples of the Pareto rule in real life. Business. In a company, 20% of the products may bring in 80% of the sales. This means that focusing on those top products can help the business succeed. Time management. In our daily tasks, we may find that 20% of our tasks give us 80% of our results. By identifying those important tasks, we can work more efficiently. Health. In health and fitness, 20% of the exercises may give us 80% of the benefits. Focusing on the most effective exercises can help us stay fit. Understanding this key information can help us learn faster and better. 3. How to use the Pareto rule. Using the Pareto rule can help us in our daily lives. Here are some ways to apply this rule. Identify key tasks. Look at your tasks and find out which ones are the most important. This can help you get more done in less time. Set priorities. When you have many things to do, prioritize your tasks. Work on the most important ones that will give you the best results. Evaluate your goals. When you set goals, think about which actions will lead to the most success. Spend your time and energy on these actions. Simplify your life. Sometimes, we can have too many things to do. Use the Pareto rule to simplify your life. Focus on what matters most and let go of what is not important. 4. Benefits of the Pareto rule. The Pareto rule has many benefits. Here are a few. Increased productivity. By focusing on the most important tasks, you can get more done in less time. Less stress. When you know which tasks to focus on, you can feel less overwhelmed. This can reduce stress and help you feel more relaxed. Better decision-making. Understanding what is most important can help you make better decisions in your life and work. Improved results. By applying the Pareto rule, you can achieve better results with less effort. This can lead to more success in your personal and professional life. 5. Limitations of the Pareto rule. While the Pareto rule is useful, it is important to remember that it is not always perfect. Here are some limitations. Not always 80/20ths. The numbers 80 and 20 are not exact. Sometimes it may be 70/30ths or 90/10ths. The key idea is that a small amount of effort can lead to a large amount of results. Overlooking other tasks. Focusing only on the most important tasks can lead to neglecting other tasks. Not applicable in every situation. The Pareto rule may not work in every situation. It is important to evaluate each situation carefully. In conclusion, the Pareto rule, or the 80-20 rule, is a useful concept that can help us in many areas of life. By understanding that a small amount of effort can lead to a large amount of results, we can work more efficiently and effectively. We can apply this rule in business, time management, health, and learning. Remember to identify key tasks, set priorities, and simplify your life. While the Pareto rule is not always perfect, it can provide valuable insights to help us achieve our goals and improve our productivity. So, next time you have many tasks to do, think about the Pareto rule and focus on what really matters.